Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to start problem set 1. Okay? Some parts are reduced from your syllabus. So the questions from that parts we are not taking. Okay? So take down the first question here. Choose the correct alternative for each of the following questions. Okay? So here is the second question. For simultaneous equation in variable x and y, okay, and dx is equal to 49, dy is equal to minus 68, d is equal to 7, that then what is the x? Okay, so we have to find here value of x. Then our alternatives are a is 7, b is a minus 7, c is 1 upon 7, and d is minus 1 upon 7. So we have to find here value of x. Then we know that the x is equal to d of x upon d. So write here formula. Okay. So then put the values of dx is a 49 and d is a 7. Okay. So the answer is 7 by 7. 7 is a 49. So x is the 7. Then value of x is 7. Then a alternative is the correct one. So take down the third one. Find the value of determinant. So we have to find here determinant. Options are following, and take down the cross multiplication. When we are going to find the determinant, we take the cross multiplication. So 5 into minus 4 minus 3 into minus 7. So multiply this and write the answers. So 5 4 is a 20 minus 20 minus minus 21. Okay, 3 sevens are 21. So minus of minus plus. Then we get the minus 20 plus 21. So we get the 1. Then value of determinant is a 1, and this is a B option. Okay. So take down the next question. The question is, to solve the x plus y is equal to 3 and 3x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 by determinant method, find d. Okay, we have to find out the value of d. So we know that the d is equal to a1 a2 b1 b2 in a determinant. So write down here d is equal to a1 a2 is a 1 and 3, okay, and b1 b2 is a 1 and minus 4. So find out, sorry, minus 2. So find out the values taking the cross multiplication. So minus 2 minus 3. Okay, so we get the answer minus 5, and the C option is the correct one. Okay, so these are the, okay, next take down the next one. We have to find here value of determinant. Okay, there are three determinants. So let's start the step by step solving. When you solve the step by step, then answer will be correct one. Okay, so take down the, rewrite first determinant. Okay, and take down cross multiplication. It is very easy method. So 4 into 7 minus 3 into 2. Okay, then write down here answers. 28 minus 6. Then we get the value of determinant is a 22. Okay, so this is our answer. So take down the next one, solve the next determinant. So rewrite again it. 5 minus 3 minus 2 1. Okay, so 5 into 1 minus minus 2 and minus 3. Okay, so 5 as it is, because 5 into 1 is a 5, minus 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 plus and get 6. So 5 minus 6, we get the answer is a minus 1. So this is the value of determinant. So take down the third one. Same method follow. Okay, so write here determinant, then take down the cross multiplication and minus 1 into 1. Okay, so write down answers. 12 minus of minus means plus, here write here minus 1. So in that 12 minus plus 1 and it is a 13. So answer of determinant is a 13. So take down the next question. Fifth number question, we have to solve the equation by using Cramer's method. So write down the equations first. 6x minus 3y is minus 10 is the first equation, and 3x plus 5y minus 8, it goes there, it get plus side. Okay, because it changes to left to right. Okay, so this is our second equation. So we know that the formulas for d, dx and dy. So d is a1 a2 b1 b2. Okay, this is formula for d, and d of x is formula of c1 c2 and b1 b2. a1 a2 is replaced by c1 c2. Okay, and d of y is a1 a2 and c1 c2. Here b1 b2 is replaced by c1 c2. So we know that the formula. So let's start the solve this equation. So d is equal to a1 a2 is a 6 and 3, right? So right here 6 and 3, and b1 b2 is a minus 3 and 5. Okay, so solve this by cross multiplication. 6 into 5 minus minus 3 into 3. So write down the answers. 30 minus of minus 9, so we get the 30 plus 9, 39. Okay, so this is our value of d. We get the value of d, then solve the d of x. Okay, write down here d of x is equal to c1 c2 is a minus 10 and 8. Okay, minus 10 and 8, and b1 b2 is as it is minus 3 and 5. So d of x, take down the cross multiplication. Minus 10 into 5 minus minus 3 into 8. Okay, then we get minus 50 minus minus of 20 24. So minus minus plus, then 24. Then we get the value of dx is minus 26. Okay, so this is our d of x. So take down the next d of y. Find out the d of y. Write down here determinant. a1 a2 as it is 6 and 3, and c1 c2. This is a minus 10 and 8. So solve this. dy is equal to 6 into 8 minus minus 10 into 3. Okay, take down the cross multiplication. 48 minus minus 30. So 48 minus of minus plus is 30, so is a 78. So we get the value of dy. So we get the all values d, dx and dy. So we can find x and y. Okay, so take down the value of x and y and write here formulas for x is a dx upon d and formula for y is a dy upon d. So we know that dx is a 26 minus 26 upon 39, and then we get the answer is a minus 2 upon 3. This is in a fraction form. Okay, similarly we can find out the value of y. So dy is equal to 78 upon 39. Okay, so the answer is 12. Then y is equal to, we get the value of 2. So we can write x and y is x, y is 1 upon 3 and 2. This is our solution for that equation. Okay, so take down the next. Here is a same question like first question, so I have taken here directly. So d is equal to, take down determinant and take down the cross multiplication. So we get the value of d. Okay, so d is equal to 20. So we can write here 20. So take down for dm. So a1 d a1 a2 and b1 b2, so replace by c1 c2. So write here minus 4 and 16 and minus 2 and 3. So we can say here take down cross multiplication and remove your answers. Okay, so here is a dm is equal to also 20. So take down the next one dn. So make a determinant and take down the answer for dn is a, an answer is a 80. So we get the d, dm and dn value. So we can find the x, m and n, value of m and n. So dm is here. So value of m, we have to find the value of m is equal to d of m upon d, and n is equal to d of n upon d. Okay, so we know that the m is equal to d, m is a 20 upon 20. So we get the m value is a 1. Okay, for next for the n, dn is a 80 and d is a 20. So we get the value of n is a 4. Okay, so we get the value of m and n is a 1 and 4. So we can write here m and n is a 1 and 4. Okay, got it?